Everybody, it is June 13th, almost the middle of June, getting close. It is Monday, another day in paradise in beautiful Las Vegas. And we have 43 days of inventory. Yes, we're selling this year an average of 125 homes a day. And if you divide that into 5,393 availables, you get 43 days of inventory. We have 388 high rises, 563 condos, 4,039 single-family homes, and 403 townhomes. Over the weekend, you listed 119 single-family homes that were 485,000 or under, for a total of 1,293 homes, 485 and under, which is 32% of the active single-family homes on the market. So that is 1/3. That is a huge number, and that's fantastic. Hopefully that will make more people realize that the journey to buying a home isn't as difficult as it was. That's what we can hope for anyway. Hi, Vicki. Good to see you. I see you today. There you go, Vicki. Thank you for joining me. Yeah. And what else do we have? Oh, the $1 million homes are still selling. We have more than we did on the inventory this year so far. We have 837 available today. And we have sold 890. So that's 5.53 that we're selling per day. So that's over $5.5 million homes that we're selling per day. That hasn't changed. That has not changed. So the market is still very warm in the $1 million home category. The investors are still buying homes, of course, with the high rents, and some people that are finally realizing, hey, I have all this equity. And if I have all this equity, maybe I should sell. And we look here, and here's what we see. Yes, if people bought a home in 2021, they have, let's move this over a little bit. They have $120,000 worth of equity if they bought a medium priced home in 2021. Because the median price now, that home will sell for $485,000, and the list gets greater as you go up. So if you bought a home even after the foreclosure bust, you have $365,000 worth of equity because you only paid $120,000 for that median priced home. And so that's why we see so many people listing their homes now. So they're worried about here's the dynamic. They're worried about that interest rate. They have to pay more for their payment. And hi, thank you so much. Appreciate that. Thank you for info. Yes. So I appreciate that, believe me. Anyway, so the point is, people are saying, okay, let's sell now. Let's take this equity because the market might adjust. And then I'm not going to have all that equity. So I need to take the equity now. And then and I'll be fine because I have all this equity. So my payment won't be as much as if I put a little bit more down, or you can even buy the interest rate down. You can do it adjustable. 6% isn't that bad. It really isn't. We always talk in class on Friday. We were talking like when many of us got into the industry, the interest rate was 12 and 13%. People still bought homes. They got creative. They figured it out. And so 6% is not that bad. We have probably taken some of the first-time home buyers out of the market. However, FHA is working on a target program to help first-time home buyers get back into the market. So we will see them come back. Yes, we'll see that happen.